Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull, and I'm from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to start a new section, and the new section is going to be Alexander's colour of the month. So I wanted to start with one of my favourite styles and one of my favourite colours. I thought it'd be nice to start with a blonde, and this is Spring Honey Tea. Now I like this for a lot of reasons. First, I'm showing this colour today in the wig Harper. I wanted to show it in Harper because this for me is a very subtle blonde with a lot of transitions. Let's have a little look. So we've got this wonderfully expertly highlighted and low lighted blonde. So in here, I've got like a very spring blonde, a very almost a summery blonde with these lovely honey tones running through. And then when I come to the ends, this is really cool. It's got this gorgeous blend of blonde to almost tipped blonde ends. But at first glance, it doesn't look like a dip dye. It's just gorgeously transitioned through and a beautiful blend towards those lighter ends. We've also got the face framing highlights, which come around the face from here like this, also known as money pieces. But the face framing highlights are really good. That really flatters the face. It gives you a lift. It just looks really, really cool. Like I said, this is Harper, which is great for Spring Honey Tea because it gives you a really good kind of visual of the long, straight colour. So this is Harper in Spring Honey Tea, and I think it's amazing. So this is Alexander's colour of the month, Spring Honey Tea.